Hey beauty lovers, welcome to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, you know how important it is to find that perfect blush that delivers a healthy, natural glow without the hassle. Well, today we're taking a closer look at a product that claims to do just that. The Clinique Chubby Cream Blush Stick in Plumped Up Peony. Now this isn't your average blush. Clinique's Chubby Stick formula comes in a convenient crayon form, making it super easy to apply and blend. Perfect for when you're on the go or in need of a quick touch-up. The color Plumped Up Peony promises to give you that fresh, natural flush of color with a creamy texture that's comfortable to wear all day. It's also dermatologist-tested, fragrance-free, and suitable for all skin types, which is always a plus. So how does it really perform? I've been testing it for a while now, and here's the breakdown. The formula is rich, yet lightweight, gliding on smoothly without feeling greasy or sticky. What I love about this cream blush is how buildable it is. You can start with a light touch for a subtle pop of color, or layer it on for more intensity without it ever feeling cakey or heavy. When it comes to texture, it has that creamy consistency that blends effortlessly into the skin, giving you that dewy, healthy glow that looks like you just came back from a run outside. I applied it both with my fingers and a brush, and I found that using my fingers gave the most natural finish, while the brush worked well for a more defined look. The staying power is impressive. On my skin, the blush lasted for hours without fading or settling into fine lines. It also didn't feel too heavy or oily, even as the day went on. If you have oily skin, you might want to set it with a light dusting of powder, but it worked beautifully on my dry skin, which tends to drink up cream products. In terms of color, Plumped Up Peony is a gorgeous, warm pink with a subtle, natural-looking sheen. It complements a variety of skin tones, adding a healthy flush of color without being too intense. If you love a natural look that enhances your complexion, this shade is a winner. But let's be honest, no product is perfect. One small downside I noticed is the packaging. While the chubby stick form is incredibly convenient, it's a bit bulky if you're carrying a lot of makeup around. And because it's a twist-up crayon, it can be tricky to get that precise application in the corners of the cheeks without using a separate tool. Is it worth the price? Considering Clinique's reputation for high-quality skincare-infused products and the performance of this blush, I think it's a solid investment, especially for those who want a reliable, easy-to-use cream blush that works well on all skin types. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are some drugstore alternatives that offer similar results at a fraction of the price. Now, if you're in the market for a similar blush but don't want to splurge, you might want to check out products like the Maybelline Dream Bouncy Blush or the L'Oreal True Match Blush, both of which offer a creamy, buildable texture and a natural finish. Overall, I think the Clinique Chubby Cream Blush Stick is a great option for anyone looking to add a healthy glow to their complexion with minimal effort. It's perfect for daily wear, and the creamy, dewy finish gives you that lit-from-within look. If you have dry skin or love a natural blush, this is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you decide whether or not to try it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Beautyistic for more honest reviews like this. Also, make sure to hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest beauty finds. Have you tried this product? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience with this blush. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.